to make these, we're going to go in to our flour, which I already have here, sifted all-purpose flour. You can use cake flour. I'm going in with some semolina or some cream of wheat and some instant powdered milk. To that, I'm going to add in my flavor of elychee or cardamom, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You just want to whisk the dry ingredients to combine. Now I'm going to go in with some fresh ginger. I'm going to go in with some ghee, or you can use butter, some hot water, and some almond essence, or you can use vanilla if you like. And to sweeten this, we're going to go in with some sweetened condensed milk, and I'm just gonna whisk that in. I want to make sure, mix it properly, don't let there be any lumps in there. So guys, what I just did was I tasted the batter and it's not sweet enough for me, so I'm adding in some granulated sugar. It's totally optional if you didn't want to add it. Remember, we're going to put some icing on this, so if you wanted to omit that, you can. Just mix well. So this is the consistency you're looking for. When you let it drop, it drops and it takes a while before it gets back into the batter, so it's like ribbons. And the best part about this recipe is we're going to go in with some crumbled leftover barfi. And we're just gonna fold that into the mixture. Now you're just gonna scoop your batter into your cupcake pan. Don't go all the way up because these will rise. And to finish these, I'm gonna put some sprinkles on the top. And this goes into my oven, 325 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 15 to 20 minutes, until when you put a skewer through it, it comes out clean. So the cupcakes are finished. You just want to allow them to cool out before icing them. So guys, while my cupcakes are cooling down, let's make the icing or the frosting. So in this bowl, I have 1 stick of butter, which is 8 tablespoons. I'm just gonna cream it to lighten the butter. You wanna do this first before you make any icing. It gives you a really fluffy icing. Now I'm going to go in with some almond essence, so you can use vanilla essence if you like. And I'm going to go in with 1 cup of icing sugar. And I'm gonna mix that in. I'm just gonna switch to a spatula. And I like the consistency of this icing already. It's not too soft and it's not too firm. Now I'm gonna leave this plain because I want the beauty of the cake to shine through, but if you wanted to add some food coloring to this, you can. So I'm just gonna place this into my bag and then we'll pipe the cupcakes.